Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. Matter pertains to appointment to the post of Deputy Director (Law) in the other backward class category. Full stop. Appointment to the vacancies in the aforesaid posts were to be made in the Office of Competition Commission of India. Full stop. The three appellants in these three appeals were also the candidates who appeared in the written test. Full stop. After qualifying the written test, they also faced the interview. Full stop. However, their names did not appear in the list of candidates finally selected. Stop. According to the appellants, their non-selection was the result of altering the prescribed mode of selection midway, that is, after the initiation of recruitment process, which was impermissible. Full stop. Para. This contention has not found favour with either the learned single judge in the writ petitions filed by them or the division bench of the High Court in the appeals filed by them challenging the order of the learned single judge. Full stop. None of contention before us also remains the same. Full stop. Therefore, the issue which needs to be decided is as to whether there was any change in the mode of selection after the process of selection had started. Full stop. CCI had issued the notification through public notice inviting applications for various posts. Full stop. We are concerned with the post of Deputy Director (Law), for which 13 vacancies were. Stop. Clause 7 of the notification stipulated the mode of selection in the following manner: all the applications received by the due date will be screened with reference to the minimum qualification criteria. Full stop. Para. From amongst the eligible candidates, suitable candidates will be shortlisted through a transparent mechanism, and the shortlisted candidates will be called for interview before final selection. Full stop. Mere fulfilling of a minimum qualification by itself would not entitle any applicant for being called for interview. Full stop. The eligibility / qualification / experience required for this post was also provided in the advertisement. Stop. It is undisputed that the appellants fulfilled the eligibility condition, being holder of degree of Bachelor of Law (professional) as well as 3 years experience in the relevant field, including in the corporate sector. Full stop. Written test for this post was held on for shortlisting of candidates for interview. Stop. Admit card was also issued to the appellants for appearing in the written test along with the detailed instructions including the scheme of examination. Full stop. Paragraph 4 and 9 of the instruction which were given to the examinees / candidates are relevant for our purposes and therefore we reproduce the same thereunder. Full stop. If you like the matter, please like the video and share it among all your friends.